Augmented reality, or AR, enhances our real world by overlaying digital elements. Imagine walking down the street and seeing a Pokémon pop up right next to you through your smartphone. Now, virtual reality, or VR, takes you to a completely different realm. With a headset on, you're fully immersed in a virtual landscape, leaving the physical world behind. Then there's mixed reality, or MR, which blends both worlds, letting you interact with digital objects as if they were right in front of you, like placing virtual furniture in your living room with HoloLens. Finally, extended reality, or XR, is the umbrella term that covers all these technologies, merging the physical and digital in exciting ways. Each offers a unique experience, transforming how we perceive reality.